Good morning, everyone. This is Amanda Wray coming to you this lovely Friday, and I just wanted to give you an update for Infinity Processing System. I have some proof to share with you guys because I received a payment over the last couple of days. And not only that, I wanted to talk a little bit about what the system is all about, how you can use it to start earning a full-time income from home, how the system works, and who can actually use the system. So the first thing I want to let people know is that if you are just coming into the online space, you don't know much about the online space, that's completely okay. You can be a newbie and actually start earning with the system because it is built for people who have little to no experience within the online space. And then if you are a marketer or understand the online space, you can make even more money by utilizing the different strategies that they teach you inside of Infinity Processing System. So I'm going to go here to my proof. And I had a payment that came in August 11th in the amount of $150. I also have some other payments that came in July for $150. I also had some payments that came in for $300 from this opportunity as well. So here is a payment here for $300. Here's another payment that came in for $300, and there is a payment for $300 as well that I received on July 8th. So the program is working very consistently. I've been a member now for 4.5 months. And I'm extremely excited to say that I am impressed with how things are taking off and the results that I'm receiving with the system. So Infinity Processing System, what is it? This is a digital product, an educational platform that's going to teach you how to earn a full-time income from home. And you can earn up to $300 or more per day by posting the ads that the company gives you for free. Okay, you're not going to have to pay for ads. You're not going to have to spend tons of money on the ads. The ads are for free. When you sign up for the system, they're going to give you the ads, but not only that, they're going to give you the website. You don't need to know how to create a website. You don't need to know how to build out a funnel or a website. You're going to be able to get all of that using this system. So you're going to get a website. It's going to have your picture on it, your name, and your social media account will also be connected to the website. And basically what you're going to do is start out by picking a level that you want to start at. You're going to post ads on social media. You're going to get paid 100% daily payouts for anybody that joins the opportunity from the ads that you post. So it's a step-by-step formula that's used that teaches people how to generate traffic, but not only that, how to build a business online. And if you have ever struggled with building a business online, which a lot of people do, I will be a mentor and your support to help you to get started, to know exactly what to do and what's needed in order to get the results that you're looking for. If you're looking to earn anywhere from $500 all the way up to $5,000 a month, you can do so by utilizing affiliate marketing, which is opportunities that allow you to earn 100% commissions just by paying one time. So you're going to make a one-time payment and you can come in at any one of these levels. We have the starter level, which is a one-time $50, the elite level, which is a one-time $150, and then a pro level, which is a one-time $300. You're going to pay also $25, which is also a one-time fee for your website. Now you need the website in order to get started. The website is what's going to help generate the funds. Why? Because it runs all day and all night while you're sleeping, eating, working, taking the kids to school, shopping, at the gym. This is running for you. So this website is going to always be available to people for them to come and take a look at what it is that you have to offer. In the description below is the link if you would like to get started or take a look at the website and see what's included in these packages. You can do so again by clicking the description below. Okay. Also, you're going to be able to add your payment button. So people are going to be able to pay you through any third-party payment processor. That could be Zelle, Authorize.net. You can use Stripe, you can use Venmo, you can use Cash App, you can use any third-party payment processor. You can use PayPal. So whether you're in the US or you're outside of the US, you can utilize the system to start earning a full-time income. Okay. Now, one of the things that I want to say that's very important is that everybody's results are going to be different based off of how much they know, how much time that they have, how much skill sets they learn, how much they apply themselves. No two people actually have the same results in this business opportunity. Okay. It all depends on you. How much you put into the business is what you're going to get out of it. So what is your income earning potential? And this, you can watch this video again. This is also in the description below, and it's going to give you an idea of how much you can make based off of the level that you come in at. Okay. And this is, again, not a guarantee of income. It's just for you to get an idea of what you can earn. So at the $50 level, it shows you how many sales you need per person and how much you can make weekly based off of coming in at the $50 level. So they give you that, they give you the $150 level, right? You got the number of sales. If you get 1 per day daily, if you get 1 per day weekly, this is your monthly income. If you get 10 sales, you're going to make 150. Your daily income is 1,500, weekly 10,500, and this is your monthly income. Okay. Then you have at the $300 level, this is the level that I recommend because this is the level that I came in at. You are going to make, if you get 8, let's say 8 sales, $300 per sale, $2,400 daily. This is what you can make weekly, and this is what you can make monthly. And this is just to give you an idea of how it works. So even if you got 1 per day, you can make $8,400 per month. Okay. And this is really realistic when it comes to using the system. Now, one thing that I want to go over before I let you guys go is that if you come in at the 150 level, you can pay the difference later on and come in at and upgrade to the $300 level, but you have to upgrade within 30 days in order to be able to qualify to upgrade by paying the difference. Okay. If you come in at the $300 level, you have access to all 3 levels. Okay. If you come in at the 150 and you upgrade and it's after 30 days, you're going to have to pay $300 to upgrade to the next level. You come in at the $50 level and you want to upgrade within 30 days to the $300 level, you're going to pay $250, and that's going to upgrade you to the pro level, and you're going to have access to all 3 levels. If you come in at the 150, you will not see this on your website. You'll see the starter level, which is 50, and you'll have the elite level, which is 150. So that means that people can only sign up at the $50 level or the $150 level using your website. And again, that's if you come in at this level. Okay. Again, this gives you all of the information of what's included. You can go through this information by clicking on the description below. And if you feel like you need to reach out to me, you have any additional questions, you can reach me on social media. Also, my phone number is available and you can text me at any time with any questions that you may have. So I wanted to say thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed, and I look forward to seeing you on the inside. Have a great day. Bye-bye.